Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by writing a tight creative brief that answers who will buy this watch and why. Explain the product hook, durability, design, value, and set a single measurable goal. Once done, allocate budget to channels with proven watch audiences and select ad lengths, 6s, 15s, 30s. Make sure to gather hero assets now, product shots, lifestyle clips, logo files, because you will need them immediately when assembling rough cuts and ad variants. You now move into production with clear shots. Tight macro for details and wider lifestyle takes to show use. Once footage is captured, edit multiple cuts, prioritize a punchy opener in the first 2 seconds, then show benefit and CTA. Make sure to generate both vertical and landscape formats and export optimized presets for platforms. You should also prepare headline variations and captions for a /B testing, because split tests reveal what hook actually drives clicks and conversions. You launch with a small test budget, track conversions with pixels and UTM parameters, and monitor early engagement metrics closely. Once you see a winning variant, scale incrementally while maintaining frequency caps to avoid fatigue. Make sure to optimize bids and placements based on CPA and return on ad spend. If performance drops, troubleshoot creative fatigue, mismatched landing pages, or broken tracking, refresh hooks or replace creative, and rerun the test to regain momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.